Today on Math Sparks, the topic is solving quadratic equations by factorizing. For factorizing, we know we have the basic steps done in the previous video. Over here, the question is x squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Here we need to do breaking middle term. Let's recall breaking middle term. Okay, the very first for the breaking middle term is multiplying the coefficient of x squared with a constant. Means 1 into 15 gives us 15. Then making the paired factor of 15. The middle term is minus 2x. So minus 2x is equal to selecting 3 into 5. It will become minus 5x plus 3x. So x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. That's how our term has been broken. Now, taking common in pairs, with the first two, x is common, we are left with x minus 5. With the second two terms, 3 is common, we are left with x minus 5 to 0. Now, taking x minus 5 common. Once we take x minus 5 common, we will be left with x minus 5 and x plus 3 equal to 0. Hence, factorization is complete here. Now, here it's an equation. So, we can see there is an equal to 0. When is an equal to 0? So, we can say either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, in this case, x is equal to 5 gives us one answer and x equal to minus 3 gives us the second answer. Okay. Here are questions 5x squared minus 45. The very first thing, if you remember in factors, we have to check out the GCF, the greatest common factor. So that should be the first step. If we check 5x squared minus 45 has 5 in common. So as it has 5 in common, so once we take 5 common, it becomes x squared minus 9 equal to 0. Now here, using up the third identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So it is x square. 9 is the square of 3. That is how we get x plus 3, x minus 3. So 5, the common number is written before x plus 3, x minus 3. Now checking out here, where does our 5 goes? X plus 3, x minus 3 is equal to 0 divided by 5. 0 divided by 5 gives us 0. So we are left with x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Taking plus 3 on the right side, we get these two answers. X plus 3. Okay, next example, 3x squared minus 6x minus 45. Again, we check out that there is 3 common as being the GCF, then 3 taken common, we are left with x squared minus 2x minus 15. Now, again here, the coefficient is 1. Factors of 15 we have already done in the first example. That's how we get x minus 3, x plus 3. Same thing. Once 0 divided by 3 gives us 0. We are left with x minus 5 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0. And this is our ultimate answer. Okay. These are some practice questions. When it is equal to 0 and it's already in the bracket form, means already factorized. So we will simply do either v minus 2 equal to 0 or v minus 4 equal to 0. So v equal to 2, v equal to 4. Here's our answers. Let's check out one more. Like here, if we take q common, q minus 3 equal to 0. So we can say either q equal to 0, q minus 3 equal to 0 means q equal to 3. That's how we get two answers. Make sure in an equation you can only do either and or when there is an equal to 0. If there is some number, so then you have to arrange it. Okay, these are again few examples. We can do some of them. Like let's do this one. 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. So making factors of 4, it can be 1 into 4, it can be 2 into 2. Middle term is minus 3q. So to need the middle term, we are going to use the first factors, means minus 3q is equal to minus 4q plus 1q. So 2q square minus 4q plus 1q minus 2 equal to 0. Now taking common in pairs. Now check out 1q minus 2q. There is apparently no number or variable common. So when there is this kind of situation, you will take one common because 1 is the common factor available only here. Now both the brackets are same, so you get q minus 2. You're left with 2q plus 1 equal to 0. It's an equation, we need to solve it. So here you can do either q minus 2 equal to 0 or 2q plus 1 equal to 0. Q equal to 0 plus 2 means q is equal to 2. Then 2q is equal to 0 minus 1, q equal to minus 1, and then minus half. That is how you get the two answers. Let's try out this part H. 12 multiplied 5 gives us 60. Let's make the paired factor of it. 1 into 60 and 2 into 30. 3 into 20 into 12. 6 into 10. Okay. We are done with the paired factors. Our middle term is 32. Our middle term here is 32w. So we can break it into 12w square. This can give us 30w plus 2w plus 5 equal to 0. Now here taking 6w as the common. Now again the same situation, nothing common, so we can do. Now we can do either and all. Okay, and here 6w equal to 0 minus 1, w equal to minus 1 over 6. You people can try out the rest of the questions for the practice. Best of luck.